Good morning student. First video we are learn stand up in India. Next we are learn objective of stand up India scheme. The objective of the stand up India scheme is to facilitate bank loan between rupees 10 lakh and rupees 1 crores to at least one scheduled caste SC or scheduled tribes ST borrowers and at least one woman borrowers per bank branch for setting up a greenfield enterprise, may be in manufacturing, service or the trading sectors. In case of the non-individual entrepreneurs, at least 51% of the shareholdings and controlling stake should be held by either as SC, ST or women entrepreneurs. There is the most objectives are here. They are the helping for SC, ST and women entrepreneurs. Eligibilities. First eligibility of stand up in India scheme, SC, ST and women entrepreneurs above 18 years of age. First, it must be required for above 18 years. Second, loan under the schemes are available from only greenfield project. Only greenfield project are these schemes are held. Next, in case of non-individual entrepreneurs, at least 51% of the shareholdings and controlling stake should be held by either an SC, ST or women entrepreneurs. They are the non-individual entrepreneurs at least required 51% of shareholdings and controlling. Next, nature of loan. Composed loan between rupees 10 lakh and up to rupees 1 crore lakh. 10 lakh to 1 crore lakh. Second, purpose of loan for setting up a new entrepreneurs in manufacturing, trading or service sector by SC, ST women entrepreneurs. We are setting up new entrepreneurs in manufacturing and service. Is the main purpose of stand up scheme. Next, size of loan. Composites loan of 75% of project cost. For example, project is 100 rupees. Their loan are past 75 rupees. Includes of term loans and working capitals. However, it will not be applicable if the borrower's contributions along with conveyance support from any other scheme exceed 25% of the project cost. Next, interest rate. The rate of interest would be lowest applicable rate of the bank for that category. Very low interest rate compared to other financial institutions and other banks. Security. Beside primary securities, the loan may be secured by collateral securities or guarantee of credit. It gives the guarantee. Repayment. The loan is repayable in 7 years with a maximum moratorious periods of 18 months. Next, working capitals. For withdrawals of working capitals up to 10 lakh, the same may be sanctioned by way of overdraft repay debit card to be issued for convenience of the borrowers. Working capital limits above 10 lakh to be sanctioned by way of cash credit limit. It means that schemes also available for the debit card, credit cards also, and overdraft facilities are also available in these schemes for working capital, purchase for stocks, raw materials, etc. Next, marginal money. The scheme envisages 25% of margin money which can be provided in convenience with eligible central and state scheme. Is all are the eligibility, nature, purpose, size, interest, security, repayment, working capitals and margin money. These all are the objectives of the Stand Up India scheme. Thank you. And last questions, write down 4 questions. Write the objective of stand up, objective of startup. That 2 questions, write your answer. Thank you.